Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have TCL 50SA and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. First, swipe up the screen and open calendar application. In it we can change view for a month to be easily to add and tap on the day when we want to add it, maybe 28th of June. There's this plus icon, event, and first you can add title of event. There you can choose add this event to your calendar, to your friends group calendar. There we can set it will be all day or when event starts and finish. This repeat of that maybe every month, every week, what you need and prefer. You can add also people to this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start, location of that if we need it. There we can set when even notification of that, maybe 30 minutes before, or we can add more than one. You can change color of your notification, description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and we have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.